Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kali and this is Nigerian Korean Lover. In this video guys, I'm going to unbox this. It is my honorary reporter certificate and kit from Koreanet. Okay, so I'm an honorary reporter for Koreanet and let's jump right into the video. Welcome to my channel. This is a Korean channel. It's a new channel. So guys, my channel is named Nigerian Korean Lover. It's a channel born out of the interest of the Korean culture art. Okay, I'm also interested in collaborating. If you love Korean culture or if you want me to review Korean products, you can email me and you can send me a DM. So I hope that you subscribe to my channel. I hope that you join me in this ride as I make videos. So inside this box, I have my certificate for the 2024 to 2025 year Koreanet Honorary Reporter program. I also have my media kit and I'm super excited. I want to unbox this with you guys. So if you guys don't know, Honorary Reporter program by Koreanet is for people who love to write about Korea, people who are enthusiastic about Korea. Okay, so let's jump right into unboxing this video. So guys, this is my certificate, Ministry of Culture, Sports and Tourism, guys, and I'm super excited. It is amazing, guys. Look at how it looks, guys. Look at the seal. I'm so happy. It's so nice. It's so original. For the past 2 years, we'll be getting our certificates via our Google Doc, and I'm super excited of getting hard copy of this certificate. Okay. So the next thing in our box is this. Okay. So let's go in to see what is inside. So guys, the pack came in this yellow seal and I'm just going to go ahead to open it. So guys, when opening it, there are two things inside, which is first this blue stuff, which is my certificate of appointment that I've shown you at the beginning of the video, and then this is the honorary reporter kit, guys. So let's go ahead to open the honorary reporter kit and see what is inside. Okay, so I like the packaging. I like how it looks natural brown, and I like that it is wooden inspired. So this is the stickers. You can see that it is wooden. This is like press tags, notepad, pop socket, stick-ons. Yeah, so let's just quickly go ahead to fix in my tag. Voila, guys. So guys, with the tag done, let me share you with what's inside. This is the roller, wooden roller. This is a pen, guys. This is so natural, like nature. This is eraser, and then we have a sharpener. Okay, and then we also have pencils, guys. It's so nice. So guys, this is the kit. Then we have a notepad. Okay, so this is what is inside the. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do remember to like, to share, to subscribe, turn notification button. I'll see you amazing people in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Do remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification button. Check out my other honorary reporter related videos, such as the articles I read for honorary reporter, unboxing gifts from honorary reporter, koreanet.com.